Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is a Wednesday and my cousins are here, my two cousins are here. We are gonna go out. We need to get a couple of stuff. Okay, they need to do that things there, but my cousin and I, like the one we stay with, Maggie and I are gonna, I need to start calling her by her name. Maggie, my cousin, my female cousin. We need to get some stuff for the house. So fridge are nice and it needs like a compressor, and then the man is gonna come fill up the gas. So I'm gonna buy that compressor, and then we are going to, what are we gonna do? Oh, I need to print some stuff for my little brother, but I doubt I'm gonna vlog that. It's just some school stuff that he needs to do for his project. And then yeah, probably just gonna tag along when my male cousins who are here to visit do whatever it is they're doing. We'll see. So yeah, let me put on my shoes, have my coffee, and then we're gonna go. It's so cold today, like it's really cold, and I have plans on Saturday, so this weather better not ruin my plans, honey. Better not.
Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain. The sorrows in your brain.
Hey guys, it's another day in the vlog. So I think I left you guys the last time shopping somewhere. I don't know, I didn't really vlog much when my cousins were here because we were in a hurry, like proper. So me vlogging was just not a priority, if I put it that way. But yeah, they left. We managed. Today's a Friday. I'm with my cousin, I'm with Margaret. So we are going to a poetry night. We're actually by Main Mall right now. It's hosted Main Mall by Diamond Square. So one of our home cell members slash churchmate is, I think she's the one hosting the event. So yeah, we are quite a little bit late. We are in the parking lot. We're waiting for taps, and then we're just gonna go in. So I thought, let me just vlog. Oh, she's actually a writer and a poet. Yeah, she has a book. She has published a book. I'll find the link and put it in my description box if you guys wanna buy the book. She's really good. I hope by the time we go in, Tabaisa adiri her things. She has such a beautiful voice as well. That girl can sing, and I saw in her poster that she's gonna have some vocalists here. So I'm actually excited to see what they have for us. So yeah, I really hope Taps gets here like now, because I want to go in before I miss out on anything. Ari.
Problems that we all see, but I'm too afraid to address them. Can I have a moment to talk about best friends that people turn into backstabbers and come smiling at your door as if nothing? Because your presence always avails the light of hope to those who are lost. And your eyes are molded just as roses in the face of the earth.
From the humble village of Mora, I am unapologetic for my poetic. Tikeng ya lito laba magisa, yakarijwana yamokhaza. I am a name translated light. I am the apple of God's eye. Behold, beauty divine. Unlike Jesus, ready to die for a sinner like me. Not assumptions or assurance, I'm not forgotten, God knows my name. Ignite me with force of a dynamite, served upon the silver platter, not riches or treasures of the world. Only if my name will be rewritten in the book of life. Ignite me with force of a dynamite, if only I be worthy. Ignite me with force of a dynamite. Just like the king received the prodigal son, with open arms you received us, Lord. Our hearts that were to carry issues of life, well, they've gone habited to pain and persecution, for they were followed the deceit and lies of the enemy that he tried to befriend us through. Forget about the riches, forget about the money and the fleshy cars. I'm here for his word. May my name reappear upon the book of life as you remind me of love divine. And a lot of people understand my poetry when they hear it and when they read it. So the hand that speaks is really about me being a writer, how before I get to resonate your feelings and whatever, and I have to put it down. So I just thought maybe it's my hand that speaks more than my mouth does. Because before I get to say it out, I have to put it down somewhere, right? So that's the whole concept of the hand that speaks. And yeah. And big crowds. I want to see poetry having that kind of effect as well. That's why I want to take the poetry to. I want to be able to buy my house, my car, and grocery just because I'm a poet and that's my career. You understand? Not it being a sideline thing, something that I do for pocket money. But I want something. I want it to be my life, my livelihood. Something when a person says, "So what do you do for a living?" I do poetry. So that's where I'm striving to get.
All starts with hi, can we meet tonight? Even when days are gloomy, sure it's always bright. And sure he's the one, you didn't mess up this time. You give him your heart and he breaks it. God, you know only you can't lose hope. You got it all, and you are beautiful. If he doesn't see, she was brave enough to give you her heart. Can you focus on me? Then we got Kia on the keys. Let's go. So her really does inspire me, and as an R&B artist, I want to be like her.
You can do it,
I
girl.
want to be like her, honestly. She is in my area, you know what I mean? So I love her songs, and I will perform them tonight. I hope you don't get tired. But
Barakat.
I've got to do it.
Yeah.
You ain't been holding on.
Sing on the
Can't
name.
wait to know. I don't wanna keep sleep. I wanna be free. Be free. How do you get somewhere comfortable and leave? Say something, baby. Running to you, running from me. Don't wanna keep on, don't wanna be so dependent on you, dependent on me. I wanna keep on, no. And if I hold on to you, I'm only hurting me, yeah. I know if I hold on to you, I'll never want to leave you. Gonna let me, gonna set me free. Don't take me for granted, no. Every time I'm weak and alone, deep with my bones, safe me. Hey, no. How do you get somewhere comfortable and leave? Say something, baby, something to me. Running to you, running from me. Don't wanna keep on, don't wanna be so dependent on you, dependent on me. Don't wanna be somewhere I don't know. And if I hold on to you, I'm only hurting me, yeah.
Alex Xavier.
If I were the one plus one, I should give up and hard for you. You love me through and through. You share my story, mine to use if you just keep on coming. Your touch is still coming. When it just keep on falling. Oh, that's why I'm like, yeah. You were just my love. You were just my love. Oh, God, you're so lucky. Yeah. You were just my life. Just my life. As long as I have you. You got me on my ears, acting like a fool. No, wanna, fella, I'm gonna act all cool for you. Ain't I fool? No, you need to know that one.
And I kept thinking to myself,
This guy did a music video. Yo, bones. And bones that sound like wet windshield wipers whenever we slow dance across the living room. I imagine that I will look you in the eyes, as if there is something small and precious and prison there, and I will ask you, darling, did you know that a blue whale has a heart the size of a car? When you respond correctly, as you always seem to do when I ask you difficult questions about oceanography, I will probably laugh, rejoicing over the fact that every time you smile, it makes the wrinkles at the corner of your eyes look like 6 willow branches, all lifting up their heads from praying in unison. The wind,
My wife
from
about
the him beneath his breath, just as our anthem jumps to a close, and I whisper in your ear, how did you know that I was the one? When all those well-dressed jackals came galloping to your door and begging for the rights to your ring finger, what made you lock the dirt up in your ribs, looking them squarely in the face and saying, I am saving all this beauty for a man that I have never even met? Did you ever doubt, or for a second even imagine that waiting for me wasn't worth it after all? Or that your soulmate had chosen someone a lot more boring, but a lot less picky than you of a life filled with love. When I was 20 years old, the air still not growing, an ocean away from my family, with a kind of pain that drives men to do selfish and barely forgivable things, I dreamt of you nightly. I hunted for your smile in every audience that I wrote for, hoping that I could literally steal a glance, download it onto my retinas, and replay the moment our eyes first played freeze tag, and that neither one of us wanted to stop being it. So we just kept on touching, hoping that Father Time would give us a hall pass, and that we would orbit one another forever. Now speaking of orbits, did you know that there are more stars in the sky than grains of sand on the entire planet, and that I will give you either one if you merely asked? I will peel the night from the sky skin like the rind of an orange, or Asgard, if I could borrow the breeze for just a moment and blow the shoreline of every beach into the...
My heart sank and legs became heavy. My hair shrunk and I wore a blanket of fear. I tried to move, but legs turned into eyeballs. Tongue clenched throat, suffocating words. But I can't even begin to comprehend what charisma is this. Lips are so fairly defined, wearing up. I lose comprehension of his words just to trace how his mouth curls those O's and Tari. You're beautiful. Money hearing up one will tell you July. Skip us in the mates. You make it think of one just to say
Thank you.
thank you. Masculine voice decorated with sexiness and clarity. He would peace, love through my eyes. I swear. I swear if I'm to be burned catastrophically without a trace, my love will ignite back from ashes just to show you how much I burned for you. I scream out for so and it will end in tears.
I can love myself like you never could. I can. You didn't say it, nor could you make me see it. But your eyes, they painted an impenetrable wall of distance, made me feel it. The coldness echoed in the deafening silence of your goodnight text and cut me deep like your inability to give me back what I gave you. It yanked my heart right out of my chest like a broken line. I swear I never heard that one before. It weren't like the rest, so I crumbled. You were meant to be my nest, but I guess I missed my rent for that one. They said from the pain grew a scarred lioness undefeated. I believed it. For a couple of months I could hear my broken roar in the sound of my heels. I smelled good, I looked good, but not for long. The scars felt fresh in every memory of your long, thin fingers stroking my skin. It felt like the silk suited me to my grave, and so I wept. An oxford bias, I just couldn't let go. But little did they know the truth they never see. Inside me, there was a seed you sowed. Her icy cold fingers crawled the back of my neck, they choked me out of breath. Gasping for air, my eyes wide opening, I'm scared they'll pop out of my head.
Mama said, crying over spilt milk won't show you where the juice is. The truth is, nothing in this world ever stays long enough to be authentic, and authentic love does not come pasted on people's faces. Face this fact, you're not good enough for everyone. And everyone is not good enough for you. Nor will they love you how they should. She said, fairy tales only exist in your imagination, so imagine less. Stick to reality and realize this, that you are created in His image, therefore your value has been catapulted to that of a God. Child, the hardest thing in this world is trust, yet it is the most necessary. For other than trust, there's only fear, and you don't want to live your life that way. Baby girl, hold your head high. It is what society despises the most. If you're seeking for a show, do the exact opposite of the expectations. Mama said love. This unforgiving world could use it. No matter how many people and situations cause you to lose hope, continue to love, because hate is much, much darker, much heavier, and will only weigh you down. Feel every moment that comes your way. Never let it slip through your fingers, because regret is one of the pandemics taking the lives of those who let the youth pass them by. If no one ever told you this, then get it from me. Not knowing what your next step is totally fine. Just rid yourself of the pressure of having everything figured out, because there's so many possibilities that could possibly happen. So how would you possibly know? Don't wallow in your sorrows. Don't stay confused for too long, because those that caused these confusions have surely moved on. She said, remember, you need to forget the milk and find the juice. Just like to thank everybody for coming. Everyone, your presence means a lot. My mama is here. I see my faces in the portraits I take, and the pictures I take, and the dances I make are a ceremony, celebrating my becoming. Who I was and who I will be is defined in this art that I long for each and every day. This art that has carried humanity and will carry it through time. Without art, we are creatures with no significance, with no color, just boxes filled with air. Ebenezer, for He has taken me this far on the cross of Calvary. He died for you and I. See, my Father is the Father of the fatherless. From my mother's womb, He chose me. From the 300,000, He picked me. God knows my name. He knows my middle name, my surname, my thoughts, my everything. To whom should I cry? See, His breath brings deliverance, and His eyes bring favor. His blood brings salvation. You don't have to toil or labor, turning my test to a testimony. I pass my test so I can testify. Astonished and amazed by the power of His majesty, I ask, who is this God? Who is this God that can heal the sick, free the captives, and deliver the unsaved? That can change destinies, make those who are too proud behave. And up from heaven He heard me. He turned to me and said, I am that I am. He said, I am that I am, the uncreated creator. See, from His palms we were molded, and from His breath we were conceived. Given an eternal soul that reflects His image, we were created in His likeness and blessed with His everlasting spirit that's embedded in our bodies. But who is this God? It must be a mighty king of an everlasting everlasting kingdom, cause his love for us flows like a perennial river and fills our thirsty guts till we thirst no more, till we need no more. For his presence gives satisfaction. You see, he said, leave that water. Take this.
This is a favorite YouTuber. She's back with a bang at a poetry show. Hello, girl. Hello. She's with her cousin Margaret. Woo. Yeah. There she is. There she is. There she is. There she is. We just finished, guys. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. We just finished here, guys. The hand that speaks poetry, guys, tonight. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful crowd. Wonderful people. Yeah.
This is her.
Are you?
Oh yeah, I know this one.
Your favorite, guys. Your favorite. Midas poet. Woo.
Hey guys, so a quick update. We went to a picnic, a color picnic, celebrating Selezo, and I forgot to do the intro of that part of the vlog. So I thought, let me do it now, insert it, and then the following clips are gonna be from the color picnic, and then you're gonna get back to me updating you about where I'm going now.
Okay? Are we good? Yes, please category. When you are trying to explain why you did something, why pass? What am I doing? No. When you are trying to defend yourself, be like, no, but I only did it because I didn't like. Time. How many did you get? Okay, no. Ooh. No, pass. Wow. Yes. 3, 2, 1, give me some. Okay, 3, 2, 1, give me some.
This is so cute. Oh yeah, how cute. Hi. Today is a Saturday and my mom and I are going to Mahalape. Actually, it's still it's still morning. Yeah, it's 2:08 a.m. We are going to celebrate a relative's birthday. It's her 40th birthday party. So my mom and I are gonna go, and then let's go to the party. The theme is, what's the theme? What's the theme? I'll put it down on the screen because I forgot. But yeah, I'm not wearing that now because I'm traveling. We're also gonna cook. That's why it's Emela Pakela. I think we're just gonna go straight there. We're gonna help cook and then we'll change once the party starts, because it starts at 2. So okay, the party's gonna start at 2. So I think I'm gonna change my clothes about 2-3. Kana batswana ba gona go smola party ka 5 or 32, but we'll see. Yeah, man, let's go.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Heartbeat, need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's truly. I'm digging.
To live a life without purpose, you make me realize I'm not worthless. Issues ain't now like a
Festival ici.
I am so exhausted, literally. These, what is this, honey? What is this? One thing about this jumpsuit, it'll let you down, child. It's gonna let you down. Don't trust it. Anyways, I just came to the bathroom. Hey guys, today is a Sunday. I'm so exhausted, you guys. I'm so exhausted. I haven't even checked like my footage from last night or yesterday, but I honestly tried to vlog as much as I could, and I know for sure that I forgot to shoot the birthday lady. Imagine. But yeah, I forgot, but she looks so pretty. She doesn't even look like she's 40. But yeah, we had so much fun. My other cousins came later on. We chilled. It was nice. It literally felt like an event, like proper. The DJ was DJing. The food, sweetie, you know, the drinks were flowing. It was good. Like, it was such a good day, my man. So obviously today, okay, let's up ahead. We worked so hard, Shem. We worked so hard, my man. Like, literally. Like, it's so damn hot. Even today, like, it's really hot. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna continue vlogging because I'm honestly not up to anything right now. Literally, I was just having ice cream. It has almond, so I hope my teeth are not doing the things. But yeah, we are just going to chill with my aunt at her place, and then that's it. Literally, I'm gonna start editing this vlog, so I think I'm just gonna shoot just a few clips for today, and then yeah, consider this the end of the vlog. Well, no, I don't think you guys are gonna see me like after this, so this is literally me wrapping up the vlog, but I am gonna insert some footage after this. So yeah, if you've watched till this far, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. I appreciate your support. I'm so grateful, and yeah.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
So guys, let me tell you what happened. So we came to Nando's earlier, ne? So we didn't say anything. So we got home to my cousin's place. The mama was like, she's hungry, we should get something to eat. So I contemplate on restaurants here, obviously just KFC and Nando's. Then they ended up settling for Nando's, and we couldn't say what, so we just had to pretend. I don't know, just sit down, order 2 meals. So the lady was chilling when we got here. I was like, like, okay, yeah. It's embarrassing. It's really embarrassing. The shower here again.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have